Hey, it's Ecom Rebel here, and today I'm going to show you a updated video of this video. So this video I did a while back, examples of general stores for Shopify. So today I want to run through some of the latest examples of Shopify general stores that I've come across. Let's get into it now. So the first one is inspireuplift.com. Let's check it out. Fun, practical, inspiring products. Check it out. So have a look here. We'll scroll down. We'll just see what some of the most popular items are. So if you're in the dropshipping space, you would have noticed some of these products already. As you can see, garden, kitchen, home, interesting stuff. Incense holder. You would have seen a few videos on this one. Definitely this one. So as you can see, these are some of the popular items. They've got a interesting theme. I would say it's being customized a bit, because it's quite different from your normal Shopify themes. Some more products down here. As you can see, these are definite drop shipping items. The scrubber you would have seen, this heavy duty tape came out recently, dishwashing gloves. So these are just general products that you can get through AliExpress. And then they've got a section here for customer reviews. So the site looks pretty good. And down here you've got reasons to buy from us. These sort of, you call these trust icons. 100% satisfaction guaranteed, secure checkout, great value, free shipping worldwide. They're saying between 7 and 10 days business. So not sure where they're shipping from, but I did check out their FAQs and they do say e-parcels. So maybe they're just shipping to the US and they're getting about 10 days on that. So looks like, they're set up in United States, but this is probably not their real address. They've got live chat, which is interesting. And they've got all the usual things, tracking, orders, customer reviews, affiliates, influencers, and brand ambassadors. So what makes these guys pretty interesting? They have been around a while, since 2015, from what I can work out. Let's have a look at maybe this product here. We'll just have a look at one of their product pages to see what it looks like. So it's pretty straightforward. We've got some reviews. We've got some pictures of the different product here. They use a typical GIF to show the product in use and how you use it. And then you've got all your reviews down the bottom. So these are sort of the elements that make a big difference. One, you've got customer reviews, meaning people have bought this. So no one wants to be the first one to buy a product. And you've got different variants. There's only one variant here, so it's $20. It's half price down from $40. And then you've got not sold in stores. Then you get a bit of description. You got the GIF, some features here, and then of course reviews and more reasons to buy. So it's a pretty good page. Really good videos and essentially good images to explain the use of it. Over here you've got add to cart, free shipping, secure checkout, just to remind you of these things. And of course you can get access. If you click here, you can get a discount code for your next order. So let's click on that and see what that does. That should bring up a little pop-up. So save up to 60%, enter your email address, sign me up. So this is how they collect email addresses, and this would be like a discount code to get on your first order. Now let's check out that traffic. So if we go up here and we use our little plugin, SimilarWeb, as you can see, this store rocks. We're talking 2.45 million visitors per month. So this is a pretty incredible dropshipping / general store, one of the best. So they rank in the States 12,500 and worldwide about 33,500 in world rankings. But 2.4 million a month. So if you go off the, is a sort of general thing that I talked about previously is, if you've got a visitor to your shop, each visitor is worth $1. So I would estimate that they're doing 2.4 million in revenue, but they could possibly be doing a lot more than that. But that's just a generalization. So this is how much sort of money they're putting through the store. As you can see, they've got 6 million likes on their Facebook page. So I did have a quick look at their Facebook page, and it is very good. It uses a combination of memes, and then also they run their products, but it's mainly memes to keep the people interested in the different things. So very engaging. If you want to check out their Facebook page, it shows a lot of viral and very shareable type images and videos, so that's pretty good. And their products, the way they put their products out there, the way they essentially do the actual layout of the page, I have seen sort of better, but it just goes to show that you can actually do that. So what I might do now is we'll go to the next one on the list. Next one we're going to have a look at is TTR Shop. Let's open that one up. So a lot of these dropshipping stores that I reviewed probably a while ago now, a lot of those are not in these top stores. These I'm looking at top 4 stores at the moment. These are I probably went through 150 of the top Shopify stores to find these examples of the good ones. So this is TTR Shop, and as you can see, it's a general store because it's got shoes, glamour and fashion, kitchen, bath, lamps, accessories, all sorts of things. So it's got a nice big hero image there for mugs, and as you scroll down, you've got kitchen, bath, lamps, all that sort of stuff, and a lot of these products you would have seen before. Then you've got deals of the week, where they put the product on the main page, which is pretty cool. And they've got different categories, and you can add to cart straight away. So if we look at, you would have seen this one definitely around with the lamp, the moon lamp. So we'll just have a click on that and go into their store. So let's just have a look at this one. So you notice they've got the colors are pretty standard. So they've got green as the add to cart button. This remains very prominent through the whole site. They've got a standard layout where you've got all the different pictures here, description, features. Now this particular one, they don't have any reviews attached to that page. Okay, so there's no reviews for that particular product, but for other products there would be. So now just to give you a look at their traffic, we'll just have a see what sort of traffic they're getting. Let's click on our plugin. Okay, I'm not getting any data at the moment on that one. Maybe I need to go back to the home page and run it again. Sometimes it doesn't load, but that's okay. Let's have a look at a couple of other things. So why don't we look at shipping and just see what they say on the shipping page. Okay, so it says free shippings takes between 14 to 21 days and possibly even longer, and processing 2 to 4 days. So as you can see, they're mainly doing drop shipping, and all orders are shipped for free. Okay, so that gives you an idea of some of the products that they have. I'll just try the shop again. We'll just try to see what the We'll load similar web again and see what happens. Okay, still not getting any data. That's okay. Let's move on to the next one. The third one on my list is Triple Deal. Let's check out this one. So tripledeal.com. So as you can see, they sell a lot of different products. Free shopping on all orders. So free shipping on all orders, a spelling mistake on their front page. But they are getting a lot of traffic to their site. As you go through the different products here, you'll notice how they got the reviews, and the add to cart is the orange. So let's click on one of these products. Now they use a 1-800 number. It might just be a recorded message. They got reviews, even though they only have like a couple of reviews here. They got a lot of different example products, and you can choose the different variants here, different sizes. You can add to cart or buy it now, so that's pretty good. Also, I've seen this in a few others now. Must be a little app that does this. This is partner products, where basically it shows, I think, products from other stores, and it might be like an affiliate thing. I'll have to check that out and find out a bit more about it. So you come to this here, and let's have a look at. Let's click on the About page, and then we'll check the traffic. Yep, so as you can see, there's a bit of difference between this store and some of the others. I would say a little bit less sort of quality on the way they've done the layout. Definitely, compared to Inspire, Uplift, and TTR Shop. Okay, and we'll just check traffic, see if that'll load. Nope, not getting our data on that one. Okay, so let's go back. And the last one I want to talk about is Humble Household. So let's load that one. Okay, so we've got a great hero image, free shipping on all orders over $50. It's great, so this looks good so far. We've got our different collections: kitchen, home and garden, beauty, pets, and as you see, some of these products you would have seen before, like the string lights. Let's click on that one. So it looks like they're using a pretty straightforward Shopify theme on this one. Just keeping it simple. Using orange matches their logo, so they're using that for the add to cart, and so it stands out, and they're using both images on both sides, which is actually quite good. Some of the reasons to buy: 100% money back guarantee, tells you about the delivery. They use e-packet, so all this is drop shipped in 15 to 20 business days. Okay, then you use the frequently bought app, where basically you can add these to your cart, and it's basically a great way to get upsells. And then they're using the reviews here. I would say this is Luke's. Scroll up. So, and we'll just go back to the front page. We'll just have a look at the traffic, see if it brings up the traffic on this one. Yep. So we're looking at 266,000 visitors per month. So they're doing, at least $250,000 revenue on this store. Now the other two stores, TTR Shop and Triple Deal, they were doing more than 250,000. So they were possibly doing 300 and 400,000 visitors per month, even though they didn't display. So that gives you an example of sort of the traffic these guys are doing. So if you want to check out what they are doing, you need to find their Facebook pages. And not all of them put their Facebook pages on there, but you find their Facebook page, you have a look at the ads that they're running, and then once you've got those ads, you can see how well they do their ads, their video ads. And that'll be the reason why they're doing a lot of traffic to these stores, because they've got great video ads and it gets people to click through and generate a lot of traffic and sales. So I hope this has been helpful. If you did enjoy this, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing some more content, updating some more videos. In this particular one, you're going to be learning a lot more about Ecom. So yeah, if you want to see some more, let me know. Put them in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.